Docker now has MCP Toolkit, a place where you can connect many different MCP servers, such as GitHub, Context7, and other tools directly to your clients. This is a very secure way of using MCP servers within your applications. I'm going to show you how to set it up. We're going to connect to a server, such as GitHub, and then we're going to connect it to Claude Desktop and Claude Code. So let's get right into it. All right, so once you are on Docker MCP Toolkit, we're going to search for Git. We're going to enable it. We're going to set up the configuration. We need to put in our access token. So you need to go to GitHub and add your access token if you want to use this. I added my access token. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to enable it. Now go to MCP client, and now you want to enable this MCP server to a client. So in this case, we're going to connect it to the Claude Desktop client. So now we'll open up Claude Desktop, and we'll go to Claude, go to Settings, go to Developer, and now you should see MCP Docker included here. Now the next step is we want to enable this with Claude Code. If you go to Anthropic's website and go to this document, they have really great documentation of how to connect MCP servers to Claude Code or Claude Desktop. There's a section that says import MCP server from Claude Desktop. So just by running this command, whatever is in Claude Desktop MCP configuration, we can automatically send it to Claude Code. Let's test it out. Just open up a terminal, go to the docs and copy this command, and we'll just copy it over and run it. Now if you tab down, you'll see MCP Docker is added. And now let's try to test it out and see if it works. Can you tell me my information in GitHub? Use GitHub MCP tool. So there's an error, it's not working. Let's go try it out on Claude Desktop. So I'll run that same command. So it's working here, but clearly there's a bug going on Claude Desktop using this command right here. So we're going to take a different approach. So if you go back to Docker MCP Toolkit and inside the MCP client tab, you're going to see this command. By using this command, we can send it over to Claude Code, which will allow us to connect whatever enabled MCP servers on Docker Desktop into Claude Code. So the command that you can use is this one. I added in the description, so feel free to use it. Basically, it's saying Claude MCP add JSON. So basically, we're just wrapping the command in a JSON object so that Claude Code understands how to process it. So we'll just copy this, and we'll paste this right into Claude Code. It's added, and now we can test it out. Now let's try running the same exact command we ran in Claude Desktop. Can you tell me my information in GitHub? Use GitHub MCP tool. So it identified it. This is working. So clearly it pulled out my information and all my details. I hope this helped you guys out. MCP servers are amazing. I'm using a few of them. I'm using Context7 to allow me to pull the latest documentation across the internet, such as the latest Supabase documentation, Notion, etc. Now we have the GitHub. I have the Playwright. I have the Supabase and Notion. So there's MCP servers for everything, but I just want to warn you guys, don't install any MCP servers that are from some unknown sources because they can have some malicious code in it and they can steal your information or cause some kind of chaos on your system. So just be careful out there. And that's all I wanted to share. Please, if you have any questions, leave a comment. Please hit the like button, subscribe for more videos. I'll catch you guys later.